Daniel, please go ahead. He already let you speak. Go ahead, please.
No, I just had a few questions about Rosh Hashanah.
Go ahead. Go Rosh Hashanah. Go ahead.
So okay. So of course this is more based on us fellows that are in process of conversion. So it's like two questions into one. Okay, so of course both a Jew and a person that is going through conversion has to recite Selichot regardless. But what happens with a person that is in the process that is not Jewish still, like considering his status as a non-Jew, do this Selichot help him in some kind of way? And if not, what can he do in order to help his judgment in Rosh Hashanah?
I think Selichos should help everybody. So it's a general asking help of HaShem, his support, and reminding him that he was helping the Jewish nation all this time. So a person who is going through conversion process, he's obligated to everything. So as we said, there are only a few exceptions, like maybe tefillin and talis and maybe a few others, but that's it. And for a woman, she does not go to mikveh, but otherwise she's obligated to do everything, right? So, but if a person did not do, okay, so here's the second part. Is it considered a sin? No, it's not considered a sin. So, for other Jews as well. I mean, it's only custom. It's not obligation. So, if you say prayer, yes, it's obligatory. Is it for a man? Is Selichos obligatory? No, but it's a good idea to do. You know what I mean? So if you go to the judgment, it's better to prepare for the judgment, like for a case. It's better for a judge to prepare to see you, right? And you give all the compliments, and you understand your loneliness, and you in awe, and you like when you read the Selichot, it sounds like I feel like I don't know. Like I'm so nothing, and Hashem, please, like don't make me say all of these words. Just forgive me. But we have to go through the text. You understand? So that's the thing. Again, if a person in process of Shiur did not say it, no problem. Women not obligated to say that, of course. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. And I actually learned very interesting. In another group we have. We learned about Rosh Hashanah, and one point, there is a difference in custom between the Sephardim and Ashkenazim in how they do Selichos. So Sephardim do Selichos, they start Selichos from the beginning of Elul. So for the whole month, but I think, as I said, they're shorter. I think it's the same every day. But for Ashkenazim, it's every day is different. Every day is different lengths. Of course, some parts are standards, but some parts are actually changing. But Ashkenazim do only like last week. So we started last Shabbos, right? Motzei Shabbos, and all of these days. So that's what we do. And the question is asked. Shulchan Aruch says clearly. He said that halacha is Shulchan Aruch. That we arise early on starting from Rosh Chodesh Elul. And we read the Selichos. And so how come Ashkenazim do that? So they don't follow Shulchan Aruch? No, they do follow. And Rema on the page said, Rema Ashkenazi authority, he said, our custom is to blow the shofar. So the shofar, so every morning, before we read the Psalm 27, with David, right? So we blow the shofar. And this shofar, so of course you have to get somebody like knowledgeable person, preferably like a God-fearing person, the best that you can, for example, in your show, that would blow the shofar, because this shofar for duration of the whole Rosh Hashanah. So this shofar is actually substitution to the Selichos, because especially I always forget that they're going to sound the shofar, so everybody getting startled, because it's like from nowhere. So he just finished praying the chazan, and the guy started blowing over the shofar like very, very loud. So it should startle you, and that's very good, and it should bring you back to senses. So you cannot live like you lived last year. Just simple example. Look how many promises we did make last year, and how many of them we kept. Right? I mean, between us and HaShem is about our improvement. So and we have to decide like strongly. This year. I'm going to do it. But of course, don't wait until the Rosh Hashanah. Start now. Right now, meaning today or tomorrow, whatever you do. So to show the HaShem that you're serious. So my personal thing. So I always send tzedakah for past many years ahead of time. So I said, HaShem, look, I don't have to check your business. You know that I need money, right? So you're going to send me parnasa. So I'm sending tzedakah 1 month in advance. So that's my thing. So it's my working on a bitachon. So not after I receive money. So because I'm not a contractor. I have like only limited income. So even if I work in office, it was still set salary. So I know exactly plus minus like what I'm going to get. Like it was like minimum difference from one month to another. So you can calculate. So you start sending before in advance. So like you work on your bitachon. That's what's my idea. You understand? So and every one of us have to like accept something on ourselves, but something not big, but what we can keep and build up on that. So because one mitzvah brings another mitzvah. So don't take something big that you're going to crumble. That's not good. So okay.